Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. The topic that we are going to discuss about today is how can you improve your English speaking skills for a group discussion. As you know, for any airline interview or as a part of a cadet program selection, a group discussion is a stage that everyone has to clear. And in this stage, it is really important that you can communicate really well. So in my video today, I will talk about how can you quickly improve your English within a short span of time. To unlock your potential and progress towards becoming a proficient English speaker, embracing consistency and unwavering determination is paramount. The pace of your progress will be influenced by your current skill level. For absolute beginners, prioritizing vocabulary enrichment and grammar strengthening is recommended as a starting point. On the other hand, if your foundational understanding is solid and you can construct structured sentences but struggle with fluency, you are level 2. A significant majority falls within this category. Challenges with public speaking and participating effectively in group discussions are common. To enhance your learning trajectory and attain comfort and confidence, although this transformation will take time with nearly a month investment, but you can follow these steps. First and the foremost, cultivate confidence. Confidence is your foundational asset for honing communication skills, whether in group discussions or real-life interactions. Firmly express your viewpoint, avoid redundancy, broaden your perspective, and capture ideas adeptly. Number 2. Immerse in reading and reflection. Making reading a daily ritual, injecting vitality into your vocabulary and advancing your speaking journey. Reading not only enriches your word bank but also empowers you to apply these words effectively. Similarly, in group discussions, focus on grasping broader concepts and notions, citing them as appropriate. The key lies in critical thinking about presented ideas during your learning journey. Crafting sentences in English within your minds is an art that requires diligent practice, eventually leading to rewarding results. The third one, mastering group discussion. Excelling in group discussions demands a distinct approach. The cardinal rule is to always lead. Initiate with vigor, ensuring a logical and rational perspective on the subject matter. Conciseness is valued over verbosity. Alternatively, consider shifting stances and conclude by accentuating both the positives and negatives of the topic at hand. Navigating the journey towards proficient English communication requires dedication and practice. By nurturing your confidence, fortifying your vocabulary through consistent reading, and mastering the art of constructive group discussion, you will notice substantial progress over time. Remember, these transformative efforts are akin to cultivating a fruitful harvest. You'll reap the rewards as you preserve. For more such informative videos and updates, keep following our channel Golden Epaulettes.